Hello and welcome to Playpulse, your ultimate destination for the stories that power the sporting world. Today, we turn the spotlight on a cricketer who is redefining the role of modern opener for England, and his name is Ben Duckett. So, let's start with that sensational knock in Leeds Test against India, chasing a mammoth 371 on the final day. Duckett played fearless intent, smashing 149 runs, forming a blistering 188-run opening stand with Jack Crawley. It wasn't just match-winning, it was record-breaking, as England pulled off their highest fourth innings chase against India. But this wasn't just one-off. Let's dive into what makes Ben Duckett one of the most exciting names in the world of cricket right now. Duckett's aggressive style fits perfectly with England's baseball approach. In recent tests, he's been averaging around 44 with a strike rate of over 86, numbers that are unheard for traditional openers. In India, he smashed a 128 of 88 balls, becoming the fastest Englishman to score a Test 100 on Indian soil. And in 2016, Duckett took the country's circuit by storm, scoring 2,706 runs across formats. He won both PCA Player of the Year and Trent Player of the Year awards, the first to win both in the same season. In 2016, he hit the fastest double century in Nottinghamshire history, 2020 of just 168 balls. Duckett is not limited to Test arena. He made headlines with white ball cricket too, scoring a brilliant 165 in 2025 Champions Trophy against Australia, setting the record for the highest score ever made with that exact number. Ben's athleticism isn't just a chance. In school, he was a multi-sport athlete, playing hockey and football, which helped him master shots like sweep and reverse. Off the field, he's a laid-back guy who loves golf, enjoys his holidays, and has a golden retriever named Max. And when asked who should play him in a film, he jokingly said, James Corden. From record chases to fearless stroke plays, Ben Duckett is proving that you don't need to be textbook to be top class. With age on his side and confidence in full flow, he could very well be England's most complete opener in baseball era. What do you think of Ben Duckett's rise? Is he the future of England's batting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Playpulse for more stories from the world of sports. Thank you. This is Mansa Channapragada.